Liquid actions with meaning and examples.
Eddy. To move in small circular currents. The water eddied around the rocks in the river. Leaves eddied in the muddy stream after the rain. To eddy. Slosh. To move liquid around noisily inside a container. Water sloshed in the bucket as he walked. The soup sloshed around in the bowl. To slosh. Dampen. To make something slightly wet. Light rain dampened my jacket. She dampened the cloth before cleaning the table. To dampen. Splash. To scatter liquid in drops. The kids splashed water in the pool. Mud splashed on my shoes. To splash. Spray. To send liquid out in tiny drops. She sprayed water on the plants. He sprayed perfume on his jacket. Spray. Squirt. To force liquid out in a thin stream. She squirted ketchup on her fries. The bottle squirted water everywhere. Flow. To move smoothly like a liquid. The river flows through the valley. Tears flowed down her cheeks. To flow. Leak. To let liquid escape through a hole. The pipe is leaking water. Oil leaked from the engine. To leak. Soak. To make something very wet. The rain soaked my clothes. She soaked the beans overnight. Drench. To make completely wet. The storm drenched us. He was drenched in sweat. Paddle. To move through water using hands or feet. The child paddled in the pool. Ducks paddled across the pond. Steep. To soak something in hot liquid. Steep the tea for 5 minutes. Herbs steeped in hot water. Pour. To make liquid flow from one container to another. She poured water into the glass. He poured milk on his cereal. Spill. To let liquid fall accidentally. I spilled juice on the table. She spilled coffee on her shirt. Dunk. To put something into liquid quickly. He dunked the cookie in milk. She dunked her head under water. Submerge. To put completely under liquid. The submarine submerged slowly. She submerged the cloth in water. Overflow. To spill over the edge. The cup overflowed with tea. The sink overflowed last night. Gush. To flow out suddenly and strongly. Water gushed from the broken pipe. Blood gushed from the cut. Trickle. To flow slowly in a thin stream. Water trickled down the wall. Sweat trickled down his neck. Ooze. To flow slowly and thickly. Mud oozed from the ground. Honey oozed from the jar. Bubble. To form bubbles in liquid. The soup bubbled on the stove. Water bubbled in the pot. Foam. To produce foam or froth. The soap foamed in the sink. The beer foamed in the glass. Froth. To form light foam on liquid. The milk frothed in the cup. Waves frothed on the shore. Ripple. To move in small waves. The wind rippled the water. Fish rippled the pond surface. Pump. To move liquid using pressure. The machine pumps water from the well. Blood pumps through the heart.